up, everybody? We just arrived at Lower Lewis Falls up in Gifford Pinchot National Forest. It's about 2.5 hours north of Portland. Got up this morning about 5 o'clock in the morning. So we're gonna spend the rest of the day hiking up and down the trailhead and hopefully hitting up upper falls, middle falls, and we're already at lower falls. So we're gonna work our way up and then work our way back down. Hey! Hi! What's up, friend?
Hi, guys. Didn't realize y'all were so up and early.
So we just got to the top of Lower Lewis Falls. We started the day at the very bottom of the falls. And so now, as you can see behind me, we're right up at the top. So there are 2 more waterfalls along this trailhead just north of here. So we're gonna keep working our way up, and we're gonna take you along the rest of the way today. So we hiked to the top of the falls. There's a little gated path that you have to walk down with a little area you're not supposed to go past. And now I'm standing literally on the edge of the waterfall. So if you come up here, I wouldn't suggest doing this. Right now, the rest of the crew is across the river. They're all setting up to take some pictures right now. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit, and then we're gonna keep headed up to the next falls. Alright guys, so as you can see, we just made it down to Middle Falls, which took a little bit of time to get up here. So hiked up here. I actually, if you see the top of the waterfall where the bridge is, I took it upon myself to climb, hike down underneath the bridge and try to get right on top of the waterfall for a good shot. But right when I got to the top of the waterfall and I was trying to step over it, I slipped and I went halfway into the water. And I'm not gonna lie, almost for a second there I thought I was gonna slip and fall off the waterfall. So again, this video is probably a good video for things not to do when you're out exploring. But sometimes you just gotta get the shot. So I'm gonna go back up here, meet up with the gang, and we're gonna continue our hike up to Upper Falls and see what's up there. Guys, we just finished up that our hike along Lower Lewis, Middle Lewis, and Upper Lewis Falls up in Gifford Pinchot National Forest, which again is up in Washington. So super awesome day hike. Got to hang out with our friends like I said before. So thanks again for tagging along today and joining us on our hike up here. I will see you guys on our next adventure. Bye bye.